This video will show how to add a part on the fly but not add the part to the manufacturer's part database. We'll place a motor down. We've gone to Manufacturer and Circuits and we've searched for a component but been unable to find the particular manufacturer's part that we want. Select Add Manual. A record card will appear. This is where you enter information about the part that you wish to add. Typically, you would take information from the manufacturer's PDF. Enter technical information about the product such as voltage, frequency, power, speed, IP protection and a decent description. For illustration purposes, we can use single line diagram representations of the motor, schematic diagram representations of the device, and also 3D parts, 2D parts, connection labels and height, width, depth information if we so wish. We can also include the manufacturer's data sheet. And this will be shown within the reports information. If we wish, we can even define the termination details. When completing the part, you've got the option of adding the part into the parts database, but if this component is a one-off, select only for this component